Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the two options included in my newspaper Father's Day wrappers. With the Canva editable option, you will need Canva Pro or the free 30-day trial. You can edit all the elements on the wrapper. You can delete them, add other elements to the wrapper, change the wording, and these two spaces is to add your photos. So you upload your photos. I'm using some elements. You can drag and drop them onto your workspace. Double click to resize or move. You can also just click on your photo and it will be added to your workspace, and then you just move it. This one you can resize, move it, and then you're done. You can download and save your wrapper for print. For the transparent PNG option, I'm going to add a new workspace. You can upload it into Canva, add it to your workspace. I'm going to change the background color so that you can see there's your two spaces for your pictures. Resize it. Now you have to manually resize, crop, move your photo, where with the Canva frame it just grabs it and you can resize it. So I'm going to resize it. I have to crop it. Layer, send to the back. Okay, now I have some changes. Show layers. Move it a little bit. Okay, next picture. Got to crop it. Send to the back. Show layers. You have to make sure that it fit the whole space at the back. Okay, so there's nothing on this that you can change. You can only add your photos at the back, and then you download and save and print. I hope you enjoy this wrappers. Have fun.